Press the bell icon and never miss any update from WhatsApp Bollywood.
Success is not something that anyone is born with. This celebrity have shared so much of hard work which brings them where they are today. This is why people accept whatever they say because their caliber is undoubtable. But there are some celebrities who have some special extraordinary demand that they ask for before signing any movie. Sonakshi Sinha. While kissing on screen is no longer a big deal, a few actors still aren't comfortable with the idea and refuse. Sonakshi Sinha come with the no kissing on screen clause. The actress is very strict about her clause of not kissing on screen. Hrithik Roshan. He has perfectly body that would attract even the most beautiful girl. So even the time Hrithik sign any movie, he demand the best gym in the town so he could maintain his fitness. He also has his own personal chef that goes with him everywhere. Aamir Khan. He makes sure that the film justice is flawed. But one thing that we might find strange, he does not allow any low angle shot because he start feeling shy when it's a low angle shot be taken. Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor Khan has come a long way in Bollywood, but she come with her own list of demand. One such demand is that she don't work with the B-grade actor, hence the actor is only paired with A-listed on screen. Kareena has infamous reputation of having rejected quite a few films that were offered to her. Akshay Kumar. Akshay, who is known for his strict lifestyle, has demand when it's come to shooting. Akshay understands the importance of relaxing and rest in the life, and that's why he demands a day off every Sunday so that he can relax and have some time with his family. It's very important for a hard-working actor like him who juggle between multiple projects at the same time to have some rest. Well, given the fact that he is very punctual and hard-working, it's Sunday well earned. Kangana Ranaut. She is full of starry tantrums and therefore does not want to involve herself for any queries and questions through her way. She is clearly direct all of them to her personal assistant who has to take care of all of the question and queries. Kangana get involved only when it's required. Also, Kangana does this to keep herself away from any lame drama. Salman Khan. Salman Khan is one of the biggest names in the Bollywood industry and there are people who would do anything to work with him. Salman has one big demand for all the movies that he signed, and it's all his films should be free of any intimate scene and he would not kiss on the screen. People would generally accept what Salman asks for because they know that Salman Khan is the one of biggest name in the Bollywood industry and there are people who would do anything to work with him. Salman has one big demand for all the movies that he signed, and it's that all his films should be free any intimate scenes and he would not accept kiss on the screen. People would generally accept what Salman asks for because they know that getting Salman in the film means huge success. What is your thought on their weird demand? Do let us know in our comment box. For more updates, stay tuned with WhatsApp Bollywood.